Do you know what the present continuous tense in English is? If you don't worry. Today I'm here to teach you what is the present continuous tense in English. Hey everyone, I'm Amin. You are the right place if you want to learn English. Be absolutely sure to hit the red subscribe button and the bell icon next to it, so you are the first to know when I upload a new video.
This lesson is about present continuous tense. I'm going to show you how to form a present continuous tense and when to use a present continuous tense. But before we start, it's good to know conjugate the verb to be the singular form. Good to know. To be singular form. I am, you are, he is, she is, it is. Plural form. We are, you are, they are. It is also good to know there are 5 vowels in English. They are A, E, I, O, U, and others are all consonant. Let's get started. Look at these sentences. I'm talking on the phone. We are watching football. Both sentences are in the present continuous tense. How do we form a present continuous? First and foremost, we need the auxiliary verb to be the infinitive of the verb and ing. To be plus verb plus ing. Examples: you are talking too fast. He is watching TV. She is walking to school. How to forms for the plural. For the plural forms, we do the same. To be plus verb plus ing. Examples: we are singing a song. You are doing your work. They are looking for a teacher. Now you need to pay extra attention to the verbs ending in an E, such as take, make, etc. These verbs drop their E. Examples: I am taking the bus to school. She is making dinner. We also need to pay attention to verbs that have one syllable, ending in a consonant and are preceded by a vowel, because they double the consonant. For examples: sit, get, run. Take a look at these sentences. I'm sitting outside. You are running fast. It is getting late. Ourselves go. They are swimming in the river. Please note, these verbs have doubled their consonant. Present continuous in question. Now let's look at the present continuous in questions. We need the auxiliary verb to be and ing. To be plus verb plus ing. Examples: am I getting closet? Are you running late? Is he taking a bus? Is he playing football? Is it snowing? For the plural forms, same structure. To be plus verb plus ing. Examples: are they going the right direction? Are you watching football? Are they eating their dinner? Let's have a look at the present continuous in negative. To be plus not plus verb plus ing. Examples: I'm not waiting for you. You aren't looking for me. He isn't sleeping late. She isn't talking on the phone. Examples: to be plus not plus verb plus ing. Examples: we aren't putting up a tent. You aren't speaking at the same time. They aren't cutting paper. Now we are going to take a closer look at when to use a present continuous tense. Things that are happening now. Examples: I'm watching TV at the moment. It is taking right now. Look, they are swimming in the river. We also use the present continuous for plans in the near future. For examples: I'm flying to Paris next week. He is meeting her at the airport in an hour. Are they moving this weekend?